Spyder is a free integrated development environment included with Anaconda. In this video, we'll be using it to create a simple Python-directed stream. Python streams can be written in the model editor or any text editor. That said, the code completion and pop-up help available in a good Python IDE can really speed the process. Here we have Spyder with its default settings. For the code completion to work, we'll have to tell Spyder where the snap modules are. We'll do this by adding snap's Python folder to the path. Now, when we start an import, Spyder will show us a list of the modules that match what we're typing, and the module description for the selected one. If we click here, Spyder will pull up the entire description. If we type a period after the snap module, we can select the streams module. We can also select the public members of a module, like trace's actor and open model method. Let's create a simple stream using a bundled MED file and 2 trace jobs. This stream is very similar to those in previous videos, so it should look somewhat familiar. Now we can save it in a more convenient place. There we have it, a simple Python stream. Check the video description for links to Anaconda and the Spyder integrated development environment.